How to animate a bell icon in Davinci Resolve. Right-click in the Media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background node, connect it to Media Out, and decrease its alpha to 0. Bring a PNG image of a bell into composition. Bring a transform node, connect Media into transform, and transform to the output of background to merge it. Select the transform node, and in the inspector, increase pivot X value. Drag this cross icon, which is the pivot point, onto top of the bell. Now you can change the angle and the bell rotates around the pivot point. Right-click on the angle and choose Modify with Shake. Now in the Modifiers tab, set minimum to -45 and maximum to 45. Now we have this animation. Decrease smoothness all the way down or increase it to get different bell movements. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline.